A postgraduate teacher, PGT, in India is a well-compensated and respected position within the educational sector. Here is an overview of the salary structure, growth opportunities, and additional benefits associated with the role. Salary structure. The salary of a PGT in India varies depending on whether the teacher is employed by the central government, state government, or a private institution. As of 2023, the salary structure under the 7th Pay Commission for central government PGT teachers is as follows. Basic pay, 47,600 rupees to 1,51,100 rupees per month, pay level 08. Gross salary typically ranges from 70,000 rupees to 2,40,000 rupees per month, which includes various allowances like dearness allowance, house rent allowance, and transport allowance. Enhanced salary. After deductions, the enhanced salary ranges from 56,000 rupees to 65,000 rupees per month. Allowances and benefits. PGT teachers receive several allowances and perks, enhancing their overall compensation package. Dearness allowance, that currently 34% of the basic pay. House rent allowance, HRA varies by city classification, 24% for Class X cities, 16% for Class Y cities, and 8% for Class Z cities. Transport allowance, ta 3,600 rupees per month for metropolitan cities, with additional DA and TA. Medical insurance, comprehensive health coverage is provided. Provident Fund and pension, contributions to the Provident Fund and eligibility for pension plans upon retirement. Career growth. PGT teachers have significant opportunities for career advancement, promotions, based on seniority and performance. Teachers can be promoted to higher administrative roles such as headmaster, principal, or even regional director in organizations like Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, KVS. Increments, periodic salary increments based on experience, performance, and additional qualifications. Professional development, opportunities for further education and training to enhance teaching skills and career prospects. Educational qualifications. Bachelor's degree. Start with a bachelor's degree in the relevant subject. For example, if you want to be a PGT in mathematics, you need a bachelor's degree in mathematics. Master's degree. Obtain a master's degree in the subject you wish to teach. The major subject of your post-graduation must have been studied in your graduation. CTET or State TET. Pass the Central Teacher Eligibility Test, CTET, or the respective State Teacher Eligibility Test, TET. These exams are necessary to teach in central government schools like Kendriya Vidyalayas, KVs, and state government schools. Subject-specific exams. In some cases, especially for central government schools, you might also need to clear the PGT exam conducted by the concerned authorities, such as the KVS PGT exam.